Now deviations from Mendelism. Deviations from Mendelism. Deviations from Mendelism. In nature, we see many examples where Mendel's laws are not applicable. We can study it into the following heads. First one is the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. What happens in case of the complete dominance? In complete dominance or in case of the dominance, one character suppress the expression of another character. In this case, one gene is not completely able to suppress the expression of another character. That is why an intermediate character is appeared, which is differ from either parents. So we can say in case of the incomplete dominance, it is a form of form of intermediate. It is a form of intermediate inheritance. It is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a particular trait is not expressed completely, is not expressed completely over its paired allele. So, incomplete dominance, it is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a particular trait is not expressed completely over its paired alleles. Carl Corens, the scientist name Carl Corens. Carl Corens is the name of the scientist. Carl Corens discovered discovered the incomplete dominance. Discovered incomplete dominance. He crossed or he experimented on the plants like Mirabilis jalapa, he experimented on plants like Mirabilis jalapa and many other plants, and snapdragon and snapdragon. So Corens discovered the incomplete dominance. He studied on many plants like Mirabilis jalapa and snapdragon, etc. So when he crossed in the plants of Mirabilis jalapa having red flower in Mirabilis jalapa in Mirabilis jalapa, it is commonly called as the 4 o'clock plant. 4 o'clock plant. He took the plants having red flower and plants having white flower, red and white flower. This it is controlled by the capital R, and it is by the genes small r. They produce the gametes, and since both are the pure homozygous, this is the also the homozygous pure red and the pure white flower, pure red and the pure white, and they produce the gametes. Both gametes will of the gametes, and this is R gamete, and they come together and to produce the capital R and the small r. The flower which are produced having pink color into F1 generation. According to Mendel's law of dominance, its color must be the color of either parents, but pink color is not found in any parent. So here an intermediate character is appeared. So in this case, the gene expressing the red color is not completely able to suppress the expression of small r gene. That is why an intermediate character is appeared. So when selfing is made in the plants of F1 generation, then 4 type of the first we see the gamete, capital R, small r, capital R and small r, 4 digametes. 2 are the male gamete and 2 are the female gamete. We can write here this is the male and this is the female, and capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and small r, the small r. So here number of capital R, it is 1. Capital R, small r, its number is 2, and small r and small r is number is 1. So this is the genotype. This is genotype. And phenotype we see first means capital R and capital R, this will be red. Capital R and small r, this will be pink, and small r, this will be white. Number of red is 1, number of pink is 2, and number of white is also the 1. In this way, this is the ratio of the phenotype. So in this case, both genotype and the phenotype ratios are the same. It means both genotype ratio is 1:2:1, and the phenotype it is also same 1:2:1. In this way, we see that in this case, both genotype and phenotype ratio is the same. We can take some more examples. In case of Anderson fowl, Anderson fowl. In this case, one is the when a cross is made in between the is placed white fowl and black fowl. This is color of the feather is placed white colored and the black colored. Feathers color was the black, and in this case that it is placed white. Feathered fowl. You can write here is placed white feathered fowl. Feathered fowl. And here black feathered fowl. When a cross is made, in between them are blue. Blue feathered fowl is obtained. In the upon generation, all the fowls having the blue feathered. No any fowl having either splashed white feather or black feather. When a cross is made in between the individuals of the upon generation, means that is the blue feathered fowl. When a cross is made in between the individuals of the upon generation, then ratio is just like in case of the Mirabilis jalapa, that having the is placed white, is placed white feathered one and blue feathered, this is 2, and black feathered also 1 is produced. Here ratio just like in case of the Mirabilis jalapa. So here when a cross is made in between the fowls having the splashed white feather and the black feather, all the offsprings into upon generation having the blue feathered fowls. When a cross is made in between the individuals of the upon generation, the 3 types of the fowls are obtained: splashed white feathered fowl, blue feathered fowl, and the black feathered fowl in the ratio 1:2:1. Now some other examples, we can take some other examples. Our examples we can see in case of the rabbits. We can see in case of the rabbit, that in rabbit, this is the second examples. Rabbits long fur, clothed with short fur, offspring produced here having the medium fur length, having the medium fur length. So what happens here? Long fur, we have make a cross in between the rabbits having long fur and the short fur. The product, the offspring, all the offspring having the medium fur size, medium fur length. Neither long fur nor short fur, but having the medium fur length. In the same way, we can see some features in human beings. In human beings, you see the nature of the hairs. This is the third example. In humans, when parents having curly hair and straight hair, curly hair and straight hair, then what happens? All these springs having the baby hair, baby hair. What happens? Baby hairs. According to law of dominance, the offspring's hair must be either curly or the straight. But here, baby neither curly hair nor straight hair. So here the hairs are the baby in their the offspring. Thank you. That's for today.